name's Barry Cooper. I'm Deputy Head here at Brighton College, Dubai. For more educational videos, please subscribe. And if you have thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you. So I want to talk to you today about my 5 tips for learning a language. I'm going to start with an example that I used. I worked in China for 3 years, and every morning I needed a coffee. And so I went to my local Starbucks, and yes, Starbucks helped me learn Chinese. I would go in, and every morning I would try to order my coffee, and it didn't go well to start with. And what I realized is I needed to up my game and refuse to be embarrassed about trying to learn a language. And if you do that, people will take a step towards you and help you with that journey. And so eventually, after a few mumbled ni haos and 我要小杯咖啡, I could eventually order my jiao tang machido, or my caramel macchiato, happily. And actually, I started ordering more things just simply to continue that conversation. What I'd done is I'd followed 5 key tips for learning a language. Number 1, use it or lose it. You must use the language as often as you can, every day, to make sure you keep on practicing. Number 2, learn vocab every day. And that's what I was doing, in the coffee shop, in the market. But that morning ritual helped me start that day in the right way. Number 3, I was having native speaker conversations, and I was engaging with and immersing myself in the language. Number 4, I was using more and more complex sentences, and I would challenge myself every day to try and do that. Sometimes ordering things in Starbucks I didn't even want. And number 5, I refused to be embarrassed. I refused to step back and instead step forward in those conversations, and that communication started to happen more and more easily as time progressed. Anyway, those are my 5 tips. I hope they help, and I wish you all the best with your journey in learning your language. Thank you.